Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Polymarket account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Polymarket application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in polymarket.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Polymarket. At top right corner, you'll be able to find two options over here, login and sign up. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on the option sign up and create the account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, click on the option login. Now you'll be able to find the login methods over here. You can either continue with Google or continue with email, or you can also continue with the crypto wallet connected to your account. So simply click on the login method that you use while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So simply click on the field of email and enter the email address over here. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now a magic link will be sent to your Gmail. So what you have to do is simply open Gmail, go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Polymarket has sent me the email, so simply click on it. Now the email will be opened. In this email, you'll be able to find the button for login to Polymarket. Simply click on it. Now you'll be redirected to the magic link. You'll have to enter the security code over here. Go back to the Polymarket tab. You'll be able to see the security code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the magic link. Now enter that code over here. Now you can see over here your login has been completed. You can close this window. Go back to the Polymarket tab. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Polymarket account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.